Yes, and we're going to go look around for a little bit.
See, tell you what's open, what's here, and it's a really big mall, so there'll be lots of fast forwarding parts.
Yes, and since while we are in the mall, there's gonna be music.
Yeah, so it might
be a
get
half and half.
Might get copyrighted. We might have to put music over some of it. So
yeah, so let's get started.
All right. Alright, we're gonna go in here. This is one of our favorite stores. What?
Temporary store capacity is 58.
58.
So I make up for 2 people. Look at the size of me. I'm like,
You are not 2 people. Quit.
I mean, these buses are 2 people, and I got people on the people.
Look at these shoes. Wait, do you have all this stuff right here? This looks like you're set up for gym.
And they got the hovers, like.
Oh, the new hovers? I like those.
But yeah, so I have the bag.
I know, this looks like your whole setup.
Yep. The only difference is I got the one that doesn't have the rock symbol on it. So it's a little cheaper. But
Alright, so there's Bloomingdale's. And then if you go straight across over here, that yellow building, well, yellow and blue, that's IKEA.
IKEA. IKEA for my chocolate. Get it though. Okay. I've been on this pun game today.
You're very punny, sir.
Very punny. Honey. Very punny, honey.
So we're not allowed to professional film, but we can use our phones. But we'll get in trouble if we try to use our GoPro. Alright, so we're gonna go in IKEA, we're gonna leave you in the car, and we'll just take our phones.
Sorry.
Sorry! I guess they don't want you laying on the beds. So if you buy an elephant, you need to hug him at home.
Yeah.
But he's pretty cute. Should we take him?
No.
Alright, we'll leave him for somebody else. We're gonna head over to Olive Garden. We just got an IKEA. Meet Jeffrey. Hey Jeffrey, how you doing? That's my new friend. We go to IKEA, we don't buy furniture, we buy plants. So.
Yep.
Head over to Olive Garden. To show you how close it is to Mont Millenia, since we're showing you around. There's the mall.
Right over there.
This is Conroy Road. There's the Mont Millenia sign, and then that right there, that's Olive Garden. Right now, in Orange County, you have to have your mask, so mask on.
Mask up. Mask up.
The idea that the NBA experience is going to be opening soon, at least the store section of it, is that they've got hand sanitizer in there. They've got exit-only signs.
Don't worry about me. If I luck, I'm pregnant, it's because I might be pregnant with this thing called a chicken.
Food, baby.
Yeah.
And
so she's gonna help me take care of it.
And we got this bottle of wine. They were selling bottles of wine for $15.
15, not 30, but 15.
$15. And they can put it in a plastic bag and
Yep.
seal it up, and you just take it with
Yeah, we had got the Moscato. It's a brand called Confetti.
Confetti Pink Moscato. It was really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
We got 4 glasses, and we're taking the other half of the bottle home.
Man, probably want to enjoy it a little bit more once we get home. So.
All right, well, it's been a fun evening and a quick video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all later.